Today I'm going to share how you can make $40 in 1 hour, and this is very easy to do. So in this video I'll show you exactly how this works. We'll go over the website needed for this. It's very easy to start, it's free, and you can get paid in several different ways. So let's talk about the things you don't need. So with this, you do not need any experience, you do not need any skills, you don't need any money, and you do not need to spend lots of time with this method to make money online and from home. Now make sure you watch this video till the end because we're going to go over this step by step, and if you miss any of the steps then you won't know how to make more money with this. So once we've gone over the actual method and I've shown you this step by step, I'll then share with you how you can actually speed up the entire process, and then once we've gone over speeding up the process I'll share with you how you can actually make more money with this method, and I'll also share a couple of review articles on the website so you know that it's 100% legitimate. So let's jump into today's video and I'll show you a really simple process to earn $40 in an hour. But before all of that, if you like simple ways to make money online and work from home, then subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, and then you'll always know when I've uploaded a new video. And if you want some free resources to make money online, come over to my blog and check out my free members area. All of the things that you see on the screen right now, they're all absolutely free and waiting for you. Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video we're going to go over a really simple method to earn up to $40 in 1 hour. So I'm going to show you the website, I'll show you exactly how this works, and we'll just go over this process, and then I'm going to share some alternative methods and different income streams that you can use with this website. So let's first of all, I'll show you the website and then I'll show you how you can actually earn more with this. So the website we're going to be looking at today is this one here, and it's called analyzer.com. So let me go to the home page here for you. Actually, that's not the home page. So this is the home page. Now how this works is, this is a user testing site, and I've shared a couple of different user testing sites in the past. We have looked at beta testing, we have looked at Test My UI and many more. Now the reason why I like this one is they have basically, there's a minimum withdrawal, but the minimum withdrawal is $10, but you earn that for doing a simple test. So once you've done a test, then you can withdraw that money straight away, and I'll show you exactly how this all works. So over on this website here, companies come over here whenever they have got something, whether that is a website, whether that is like an e-com store, whether that is an app, and what they're doing is they want some feedback on that before they launch it into the marketplace. So they come over to websites like this and they get people to test it for them and see if there's any glitches in there, if it all makes sense, and ultimately all they're looking for is a bit of feedback about their website, app, online shopping store, etc. So all of this on the homepage here, this is aimed at the big companies and the bloggers or the entrepreneurs and people who have a product and they want to get it tested. So you don't really want to focus too much on here, but I just wanted to very quickly show you this on the website. So again, this is aimed at people coming here. So if I had a new website and I wanted to get some testing done on this, then it would cost me $39 for one person on the website to go ahead and test this. If I wanted 3 people to test it out, it would cost me $105 and 5 users on here. So how this works, it's really simple. So companies come over here and you can see you send us tasks you want the users to perform on your site, and you indicate their demographic profile, and then we present you with a narrated video of each user going through your website. It really is that simple. So let me go over here and I'll walk you through exactly how this works. So if you wanted to test out websites and give feedback on apps and games and other bits on here, come over to the website. I'll drop a link to the website below for you. Scroll down to the bottom here and you want to click on Become a Tester. That will take you through to this page here. So it's really simple to do. You've got name, email, password, confirm your password, put in this simple captcha here. Once you've done that, you'll get an email confirming. So you go into that email and you click on, I am a real person, and just confirm you're signing up to analyzer.com. Once you've done that, you've then got these frequently asked questions over here on the right hand side. So let me just share a couple of these with you. So this is the first one. So what does a test involve? So you see on here, you will be asked to read some instructions and complete tasks on a website. The session will be recorded, and basically it'll be recording your screen and your audio, pretty similar to how I am doing here. And then you can see on here, each test takes typically 15 minutes. So that's where the title of this video comes in, and $40 in an hour, because if I go to how much do I get paid, you will get paid $10 for each test. So if you're getting paid $10 for each test and it typically takes 15 minutes, that is $40 an hour. So the next part of this is who qualifies for this test. So anybody with an internet connection and a microphone, and that's pretty much it. So if you've got an internet connection and a microphone, and most computers have these connected in nowadays anyway, they, like for example my computer, it's got a microphone built in, then you can go ahead and start taking these tests. How long does it take? About 15 minutes, and 15 minutes is the longest you can expect to do taking these tests. How much do I get paid? You get paid $10 for each test. How do you pay me? You get paid via PayPal. And how many tests can I expect to do? Now, in a second, I'm going to share an article that I found over on a blog this morning. I'll share with you how you can actually increase your earning potential on this website. So you see on here, so the opportunity is very popular, getting paid $10 for just a few minutes, etc, etc. So let me just highlight this for you. So this is what you cannot expect. So you cannot expect to do a test every single day. That's just not going to happen. It will depend upon your profile, as some companies need specific tester profiles, and I'll share some tips on that with you in a second. And you see here, but being on the target profile, you can be invited to do a few tests each month. So what I would say to you here is, if you're signing up to Analyzer, and look, you go ahead and sign up to not just analyzer.com, go and sign up to Test My UI and many of these other different user testing sites. Also create a brand new email for this, because what will happen is when anything comes up matching your profile, they will simply send you a link to go ahead and apply to the job. Now if you don't set up a dedicated email, then you may miss some of these, because we all get I get hundreds of emails every single day, so you may miss them. Whereas if you have a dedicated email account for going ahead and taking these tests, then you won't miss them. So I'd highly recommend that you go ahead and get a dedicated email address for this. Now, when I was doing some research on this company this morning, I found this article, and it mainly focuses on this part here. You see, where is it? It's all about profiles, and it says on here you need to make sure about your profile being up to date. So when I was doing this research, I come over this article over on this website. It's called 9to5workonline.com, and I'll drop a link to this article below for you. Now this is basically, it's a blog article reviewing the site, and I'll very quickly scroll down to the bottom. I'll show you, is this a scam or not. So as you can see here, this is a legitimate company that pays its testers to perform usability tests on their websites. If I scroll back up here, let me go and find this bit on here for you, because I thought this was quite important. So, how to join, okay, this bit here, number 8. Completing your profile is extremely important, considering the company has many testers, and a completed profile ensures you a better opportunity to be selected. So once you've signed up and you've confirmed you're a real person, go into the account and literally spend 2 minutes and complete your profile. And as you can see here, this is extremely important, because this will give you more opportunity to get invited to take more tests. And you can see on here, an incomplete or inaccurate profile will be overlooked. So don't lie for a start, and just make sure that you go ahead and you complete your profile on here. And then there's other points on here, so about it is good if your profile is on the targeted profile listing. This helps you to get invited to more tests, and there's many more bits of information on this article here. So it goes over how it works and what you need to do and what you don't need to do. You can see each test typically takes 10 to 20 minutes to complete. How do they send tests? Well, you can expect between 2 and 4 tests per month. And then how do they pay you? Well, you can see on here you'll be paid $10. And that's pretty much it. And then you get paid via PayPal, and there's a conclusion on here. So look, what I'll do is I'll drop a link to this article here below, so you can go ahead and check this out. The website we're looking at today is this one here. It's analyzer.com. But look, as I've mentioned, I wouldn't just sign up to Analyzer. I would go ahead and sign up to 3 or 4 of these. And look, I'll show you this. So you could go ahead and look at test. Oh, you've got Test My UI. See this one here? trymyui.com. This is another website here where you get paid to test user testing, mobile user testing. You've got this one, and then you've also got Usability Hub. There's many of these. And I'll do this for you as well. Sites similar. Test my UI. Here's a blog article here. 9 sites that will pay you to test websites. So look, you've got user testing, enroll, testing time, try my UI, user feel. I would literally go ahead and sign up to all of these. And if you can expect 3 or 4 from every one of these per month, well, you can see it's basically a numbers game, isn't it? The more of these different websites that you sign up to, then the more opportunity you've got to earn money from this. So that is today's video. I hope you found it. Oh no, one last thing actually. I forgot to mention this. If we go here, see at the bottom of analyzer.com, you have got a referral program. So if you click on here, you can basically get paid in additional ways on here. So there's 2 options here. You can get paid 15% of the sales for customers. Now, being realistic, you're probably not going to get this. What this means is if you recommend someone who's got a website or an app and they come over to analyze.com and they pay for someone to go ahead and test it out, you will earn 15% of the sales. This one here is more realistic. So you can get $2 for each test done by any testers. So you will get a referral link for analyzer.com. You can tell your friends, family, work colleagues, absolutely anybody about this. If they sign up to analyzer.com and they go ahead and complete a test, then you will get paid $2. Now look, I am not an affiliate for analyzer.com. If you are a member of Analyzer and you've got an affiliate link, feel free to drop it below this video and hopefully someone will click on it and you'll earn yourself some extra money that way. So that is today's video. Thank you for watching. I hope you found it useful. If you've got any questions at all, please leave them below. But if you liked the video and you like these really simple, really easy methods to earn money online and work from home, then subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, and then you'll never miss when I upload another video. So thanks again. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.